November 2022, OpenAI, a big company, announced that we are releasing a new giant called ChatGPT, which is based on an AI technology. This AI technology was only available for developers, programmers, those who studied computer science. But this time, OpenAI said, no, we're going to make it open for everyone to use. They launched it in 5 days. ChatGPT reached 1 million users. To understand the number, compare it to Twitter or X, which reached 1 million users in 2 years. So 5 days, this is something crazy for a software company. So what is ChatGPT? GPT, and I will share screen with you now, stands for the word generative pre-trained transformer. Transformer is the name of the technology that it uses. Generative pre-trained, it is trained on a big amount of data. For example, you have an employee, you have a salesman, and you are selling, for example, phones. So you are training this salesman, this phone, this model is for $700 and it has 1 year warranty and this and that, so that the sales can talk to others. So same, they train ChatGPT on huge amount of data, and they trained it on different languages. They gave it poems, they gave it videos, they gave it text, articles, books, everything, Arabic, English, Spanish, different languages. And they trained it and they told it, try to identify the patterns and understand the relationship between these things so that you can give better answers. So ChatGPT, when you go to chatgpt.com, and this is for a first-time user, it's going to ask you to log in or sign up. If you don't have an account, of course, you're going to say sign up. If you have an account, you'll say log in. But what if I have a Gmail? If I have a Gmail, I can say log in, and then it's going to, I will say continue with Google because I have a Gmail account. So I'll say continue with Google, and then I will choose my Gmail account that I already has, which already it was identified, and we enter now. So now this is the free version of ChatGPT, and here you can ask anything. If you click on this icon, it's going to search the web. So I can now, so it's not going to rely only on the trained data, but it's going to act like Google. It's going to go and search for the internet. Here, if you wanted to think a little bit better, though it's going to be a little bit slower, you can use this. Here, if you want to generate an image, yes, you can generate image with ChatGPT. Here is Canvas. We're going to talk about it later. And if you do not want even to type, you can use the voice mode. And when you click here, you can chat with the voice with ChatGPT. You don't have to type. And this feature is in the computer or the mobile app only. So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT a question. What is the number after 8? The number after 8 is 9. It's now answering me not in just one single digit like 9. No, it understood the sentence, and it can actually, and it's telling me, do you want more number sequences or math problems? So when people started on asking ChatGPT, they found it can do actually complex even math problems. And I will ask it, can you draw a graph? Can ChatGPT draw a graph? Yes. Okay, I will say make a bar chart for random data set of students in a school and their age range. So can it draw a bar chart? Yes, it can. So let's see, now it's analyzing, it's thinking, and then it should make for me a bar chart. Wow, this is a bar chart. So it pretended that we have a school, and the school have in the age 5 and 6 have around 12 students. In the age 9 to 10, it has 30 students. So it can draw a bar chart. So people were mind blown because of these amazing features in ChatGPT. So when you ask ChatGPT what else you can do, and do not worry about spelling, because even if I misspell this, I will say odd. Instead of what else you can do, I will say what else you can add. It will understand actually. It started answering. I can help with a wide range of things. And it's putting here emojis, even like this book or this data icon. It's actually writing with emojis. Create lesson plan, design quizzes, help with homework, generate custom graphs, analyze data, write essays. Right, let's choose one thing here. Okay, I will say make a pop quiz that takes no longer than 5 minutes for third grade students um, in Texas in math, because math has, every state has state standards. So it starts now, name, date, time limit. What is 7 by 6? And it's making choices. Wow, amazing. So would you like an answer key? Of course. And I will click here or click enter. Oh, it's making the answer key. Wow. Do you want a PDF even? It can generate PDF, but for the free version, to make a file like PDF, it's going to make me one file, two files, and maybe it's going to tell me, okay, wait another couple of hours to be able to generate more files. But I will say yes, just for demonstration. Yes. And it's going to make this quiz as a PDF where I can download and print at my school. So this is, it's telling me compose poems or songs, help brainstorm, make schedule, plans, checklist, organize projects, build lesson, a lot. And this is nothing. ChatGPT can do 100 times the things that are written here. But just this is only for demonstration. The PDF is ready. Let's download and let's see if it worked or no. Shares. Let's click on the PDF and let's see what is going on. Where is my PDF? Just a second. Maybe it's in the download sections. Yes, here it is. And I will share screen with you now to see. Here is the pop quiz, name, date, and you as a math teacher can review if this is correct or no. Page 1 even, and then you put the answer key here. So this is just a bit of how you can use ChatGPT. The more you practice, the more you are going to be able to understand and get the answer that you want from the beginning, because sometimes you keep on chatting back and forth for a long time and you don't get exactly what you want. But so when you start practicing from today, this is when you can get very, very good answers from the beginning. What we give to ChatGPT, we call it a prompt. So now to be able to do good prompts is an art now. and a skill that is paid skill for people who can make good prompts. And there are websites, if you made a very good prompt, you can actually sell it on websites now. This was Kareem Hassan, and this was an introduction for somebody who doesn't know ChatGPT. I'm hoping that this introduction helps you on your journey of learning. Go ahead, start practicing, and I will see you, inshallah, in next meeting.